Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in here at mgmclassiccars.com. Today I have this 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle big block 396 car automatic, midnight blue. Let's go for a test drive across the street there, and then I'll continue the exterior part of the video and talk to you guys a little bit more about this bad boy. So this Chevelle here has got bucket seats, center console, SS door panels, SS gauge package, SS gauges, has an upgraded radio with the auxiliary to plug in your phone, cold vintage air conditioning, 396 motor, power steering, front power disc brakes. Let's see here. It's got hood pins on the Buldge hood, midnight blue, white rally stripes. Did I say cold air conditioning? I did. Stereo has the kick panels in the front, 6x9s hidden in the package tray in the back. Headliner's nice and tight. Sun visors, dome light functions. Car shifts out really nice. It's got a stall speed in it. It's a turbo hydromatic 350 transmission. Shifts really strong. A strong 396 motor. The engine compartment's been dressed up a little bit, which I'm going to show you here. So in this open lot here is where I like to do my videos. No one bothers me. I'm going to shut it off and show you guys the trunk area too. So let's do that. All right. Grab this. Okay. There you go. The midnight blue paint job, in my opinion, is done in very, very good condition. The body panels look nice and straight. As you can see, the 70 Chevelles have that crisp line here. Okay, that runs all the way down the body. This one is perfectly straight, in my opinion. Nice reflection on the paint. Nice white rally stripes. Grille is in great condition. The bezels, the chrome on the car, the bumper. US mag 17-inch wheels. Big fat tire in the back to handle the horsepower. Dual sport mirrors, tinted windows. Verticals are nice on the weather stripping. Reflection on the car is really good. We haven't polished the car yet. It's going to be a lot nicer than what it is now, but it's in really good condition. Rear SS pad for the rear bumper. Correct exhaust tips on the car. Nice rear chrome bumper. All the lenses are in good condition. Trim glass is in good condition. Let's check out the trunk. I want to show you guys a little info about that, okay? So the weather stripping is in good condition. As you can see here, a little bit hard to see, but the factory GM stampings are there. So that tells me that the upper part of the quarter is original. And then what they did was, at one time, they cut the quarter. I don't know if you can see it in the camera. Right there, I'll point it out to you. Right there, okay? So they put in all new sheet metal from here all the way down throughout the car. Magnet sticks everywhere. And again, same on both sides, okay? Underneath is clean. Check out my photos. I'm gonna definitely put the car in the lift and go through the photos. Nice interior, nice engine compartment. Like I said, it's got the hood pins there. Let's just check that out really quick. All right, there's the big block 396 Serpentine belt system, vintage air conditioning, finished in chrome alternator, power steering, chrome booster cylinder for the front power disc, aluminum Performer RPM intake with electric choke, upgraded hooker headers, very clean, very nice. A couple chrome accessories. Factory code on this car is a 1010. What does that mean? This was a classic white car when it was born. This car was built in Atlanta, Georgia in the end of 69. So check out the interior really quick. Bucket seats, nice door lips, SS setup on the console, gauges, center console, like I said, kick panel speakers, headliners tight, dome light, package tray with the hidden 6x9s. Weather stripping does look good. All right, dual fans on the radiator. Let's get the right key here. Horn functions. Wipers right now do not work, but we are going to take care of that. Thing sounds really nice. It's got a mild cam in it. 10.5 1 compression. Perfect for pump gas. Chrome valve covers. Hoses, belts have all been gone through. It does blow cold air, so it does function. Everything pretty much functions except the wipers, right? So we're gonna take care of that here at our service department. Beautiful paint, I love it. I love it. I mean, look at the stance on this thing. Car's putting out at least 425 horse in my opinion. All your turn signals, as you can see, air conditioning, radio, everything there does function. All right, mount that back up. Speedo functions, RPM tech functions, fuel gauge functions. You got locks in the center console here for your wheels. So that just made a little noise, but that's that. Okay, so that's in the center console. Yeah, baby. The automatic 3-speed trans has been built from what we were told from the previous owner to handle the horsepower on the car. It brakes really good. It doesn't pull left, doesn't pull right. I love the upgraded steering wheel. Car does everything you want it to do, guys. I mean, listen, the car's not a 10, right? It's not perfect, but it's really, really nice. You can take it to any car show and open the hood, open the trunk, and be proud of it. Yeah. Definitely 4 1/4 easy on the horsepower. Now I backed out the timing a little bit just to keep it on the safe side. I don't like running my stuff on the red line. So if you want, you can advance the timing a little bit. You'll definitely creep up the horsepower a tab. All of the suspension has been gone through. Everything looks good underneath. Traction bars have been added to the car to handle the horsepower as well. We didn't build the car, we got it this way. So everything I'm telling you is what I see and what we were told. It handles really nice. That I can tell. I mean, it turns really, really nice. MGM Classic Cars, guys, located at 150 South Church Street, Addison, Illinois. 25 minutes from Chicago O'Hare, 45 minutes from Midway. If you guys wanted to fly in, check it out, drive it home, not a problem. Now we offer driveway delivery. If you want to take advantage of that, just text me your zip code. I'll get you a quote. We'll get the car delivered. Everything you see here is what you're getting. There's no surprises. I'm telling you everything about the car in my videos, my photos. I'm not hiding anything from you guys. We have more customers for this car than the car itself, okay? okay? So we have no reason to hide anything. So keep that in mind if you're looking, okay? And this one checks all the boxes. I would definitely not wait, okay? If you're watching this on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. For those of you who need financing, if your credit score is between like 625 and 725, fill out the application on my website at mgmclassiccars.com. And if your credit score is 725 and higher, go to lightstream.com and fill out the application. Take advantage of the good rates. Again, my name's Thomas. My number is 847-848-1850. Thank you for watching MGM Classic Cars.